Hey guys, me and Shania are down at Ocean Beach here, and she's right underneath that big clump there. And I'll tell you what, you got to keep your mind about you, because this stuff's all ready to fall down, and it's almost like you could live in there, and that's got trees up there, and that could come down at any moment, just like all of this. Awesome stuff. Coins are popping up on the surface, and we've both got a handful and having an awesome time. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, no one's around, and it's just us. And not a bad night either. The swell's not as big as what we thought it was going to be. It's up here, but not as good as what we found. But still, probably, I don't know, about 50 coins so far. So, not too bad. Not too bad at all.